Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Wi-Fi hotspot password on Android. So the first thing that you must do is go to settings, and after settings go to connection and sharing, and in connection and sharing you must go to personal hotspot, click on it, and as you can see here the second option is hotspot settings. Just click on it, and as you can see here you can find your hotspot name. You just put any name that you want, and after it you will find your password. You can change your password to any password that you want and save, and that's it. And like that you can change the name and the password of your Wi-Fi hotspot on your Android phone. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.